In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to your Odoo website step by step using the built-in website editor. This tutorial is perfect if you're new to Odoo or if you just want a quick and simple way to customize your website without touching any code. We'll be using a demo Odoo site, so you can follow along easily and apply the same steps to your own website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add images anywhere on your Odoo pages. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to your Odoo website. In this example, we're using demo6.odoo.com, but the steps are exactly the same for any Odoo website. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged in with an account that has website editing permissions. You should now be on the home page of your Odoo website, which is where we'll start adding the photo. Next, look toward the top of the page and click on the Edit button. This switches your website into edit mode and allows you to make changes directly on the page. When edit mode is enabled, you'll notice that different sections of the page become selectable, and a left side panel appears with various content blocks and customization options. Now that you're in edit mode, decide where you want to add your photo. You can add an image to an existing section or create a brand new section if you prefer. To add a new image, go to the left side panel and look for the blocks or content options. From here, you can drag and drop an image block directly on the page. Once you place the image block, Odoo will prompt you to choose an image. At this point, click on the image placeholder. You'll see options to upload a new image from your computer, select an existing image from your Odoo media library, or even use a URL if needed. Choose the option that works best for you. If you're uploading a new photo, select the file from your computer and wait a moment for it to upload. After the image is added, you can resize it, align it, or adjust its position on the page. Simply click on the image and you'll see customization tools appear. You can change the image size, add spacing, or move it within the section until it looks just right. This makes it very easy to visually design your page without any technical knowledge. If you want to fine-tune the appearance even more, click on the section settings. Here, you can adjust background options, spacing, and layout to make sure your image blends perfectly with the rest of your website design. Take your time to preview how it looks on the page. Once you're happy with how the photo looks, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right of the page, and click it. Your photo is now live on your Odoo website and visible to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo to your Odoo website using the built-in editor. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.